appears we're up to 5 eggs now. Sorry, sweetie. Good boy. When the birds are breeding, they don't soil the nest box. They hold their poos in, sort of one of the signs that they're intending having babies or they're nesting. So the first poo of the morning is usually quite large. And actually it smells. It's not too bad, it smells. Hello. You can see the patch on her chest. I've just blown the feathers away. It's quite bald there. That's their brooding patch. Hello, gorgeous. Yes. Okay, it's day 16 today. Arky's eggs generally hatch on day 17. I've brought one egg out and had a listen to it, and it's pipping away inside. It's going beep, 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 beep. I can't hear it chipping or feel it chipping yet, so it's somewhere between 12 and 24 hours off hatching. Hey, gorgeous. Surprisingly, they're actually less aggressive now. I can put my hands in the box and they don't like it. But it's not like when they were laying the eggs. They were terribly aggressive, both of them then.